Hi everybody, I'm Tae Kim and welcome to the 7th lesson for learning Japanese from scratch. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to read and write voiced consonant sounds using the Hiragana characters we already learned in the previous lessons. A voiced sound, if you're not familiar with the term, is a sound made with vibration. In Japanese, a voiced sound is made by writing two small dashes on the upper right corner of the character. For example, by putting the dashes on the character ka, the sound becomes ga. There is also something called a semi-voiced sound, which is made by appending a small circle to the upper right corner of the character. There is only one semi-voiced consonant sound in Japanese, which is the P sound. The P consonant sound is made by appending this circle to the H consonant sounds. So for example, by appending the small circle to the character ha, the sound becomes pa. Here's a chart with the 5 voiced consonant sounds. The G sounds are pronounced as follows: ga, gi, gu, ge, go. The Z and D sounds are pronounced as follows: za, ji, zu, ze, zo, da, ji, zu, de, do. Notice that the two sounds highlighted in red, G and G, sound pretty much identical. The sounds highlighted in red here also sound almost identical. The only slight difference is the Z sound on the right begins with a harder D sound. This is done by first pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth as if you're going to make a D sound. Then pronounce the Z sound on the left. It should sound like Z. The B and P sounds are pronounced as follows: ba, bi, bu, be, bo, ha, pi, pu, pe, po. We've covered a lot of new sounds, so here are some example words with just a few of the new sounds we learned. Go, Fujisan, hanaji, izuke, nigiri sushi, bijin. In this lesson, we learned how to read and write voice sounds in hiragana. In the next lesson, we will learn how to make a Y vowel sound and double consonant sounds using hiragana. Make sure to check the links in the video description for additional resources and post any questions regarding this lesson in the comments. So until then, see you next time. We already talked about sushi in a previous bonus slide, but now we can learn about the various types of sushi. Makizushi comes from the verb maku, which means to roll. Rolls are particularly popular in Western countries. There are many types of rolls invented in the West, such as the spider roll or California roll that you will rarely see in Japan. The most common type of sushi found in sushi restaurants is nigiri sushi. The name comes from the verb nigiru, which means to grasp or hold. Nigiri sushi is made by pressing the rice with the sushi by hand. The Japanese rice ball also comes from the same word and is called onigiri in Japanese.